Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am reviewing this hair from Love Me. It is absolutely beautiful and fluffy and nice. It is 20 inches and honey, it's just chef's kiss. So look at it, you see what I'm saying? Like rah, 20 inches of awesomeness. I just put some waves in it, and the description for this will be in the description box, and the link as well. But loving it. Okay guys, I'm just unboxing so you guys can see. That's the box. Love Me hair. Of course, we saved the hair for last. That is obviously everything that's coming in the box here. We got wig cap, 2 in a pack as usual. And then we got user's guide, got a sticky note there, and we have this thing here. That's the wig band, so you can attach it, like put it on your head, and it will hold the wig in place if you need it. All right, then of course this is the hair, 20 inches of absolute softness. I love the hair, it's really nice. And it came with that curl pattern as well. The construction of the wig, we have 4 the what's this called, the combs inside, plus we have the stretchy bands at the back. All right, so I'm gonna wash it, and then here I am after it's been washed. All I'm putting now is some foundation onto the hair, make onto the lace of the hair actually, so make sure it's fitting my complexion. Once I've done that, then I'm just gonna try to install the hair. With the installation, guys, y'all already have seen me install hairs multiple times, so instead of talking through it, I'm just gonna leave it. You guys can watch it, and you'll see how I installed it, and watch me take it from this to an absolutely perfect thing for my my bachelorette and bridal dinner. So you'll see me do that. Obviously I'm cutting on my ear tabs, as you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Love Me, thanks for sponsoring today's video as well. And that is it. Oh my gosh, look at this transformation, looking like Barbie. Yes, love me here. Thanks for sponsoring today's video. And as I said, all the details for this will be linked in the description. All right, take care. Subscribe. Bye.